I will discuss about digital payment. Here we have Ahlul and Haki.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Abdul Farid Saska, and I'm from 12-9, and I have studied in same place with Ganesha. Okay, I just invited by he in this podcast, right?
Yes.
And to the point. Okay. In my opinion, digital payment is very useful for me. Like when we just buy some drink, some food in the street, we just scan barcodes, and we just write some nominals, and we just click that, and yeah, that's so easy, right? And the transaction is successful. And sometimes I just my parents also give me some pocket money, like he transferred some money from their account to my account, and yeah, that's why I so agree about digital payment.
I agree in your opinion, but digital payments require a stable internet connection and working device. If there is a system crash or your smartphone battery dies, you cannot complete any transaction.
Okay, Hagi saying that is true, and I totally agree with him. And some moment we just have to bring some gas money, like just in case for the something goes wrong, like flat tire and it's other. That's why we just have to bring gas money. You agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe it's now for us. Thanks for watching.